The YIHUA 939V SIT wood burning kit is equipped with dual wood burning pens and 23-wire nib tips, offering a wide range of shapes for creative pyrography projects. This kit provides the flexibility to easily switch between two pens, each capable of operating at adjustable temperatures ranging from 482 to 1,382 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed with a compact integrated holder, the main unit of the YIHUA 939V ensures it does not take up much space on your work desk. With this versatile pyrography pen, you can explore various techniques such as engraving, stippling, and shading, making it an excellent gift choice for art enthusiasts. The YIHUA 939VIs is backed by a 12-month manufacturer technical coverage and round-the-clock professional support, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. This wood-burning kit is specifically designed to operate on a U.S. standard power plug, catering to a broad range of artistic endeavors on materials like wood, leather, and plastic.